Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. Well, I just received in a care package / order from Saints and Sinners Barbecue up in Minnesota. Thank y'all. In it, I received this all-purpose blend, what they call their butt dust, which is for everything pork related, their Chicken Little, which is for everything chicken and fish related, their Kansas City style barbecue sauce, a koozie, stickers and a magnet, which we'll be using those in a little while, and this hat. So thank y'all. On today's video, we're going to use their all-purpose seasoning, which has generous amounts of salt and black pepper in it, on a chuck roast that we're going to shred up, put it on a po' boy roll with the barbecue sauce. So let's go ahead and get started. See. Chuck roast is now done. It smells phenomenal. We're going to go ahead and start slicing it up. There's a little fat seam right here, so we're going to go ahead and cut it in half right now. Go ahead and pull it out. Look at that smoke ring. Absolutely beautiful. Gonna go ahead now and start building our little po' boy sandwich. So I'm gonna cut the rest of this up off camera, bring in the po' boy, and start making. So we're gonna go ahead and start building our little mini po' boy. They were out of my normal Leidenheimer bread that I normally carry to make a proper po' boy. So I stuck buying these little mini po' boy breads that you could probably find in any one of y'all's local grocery store to go ahead and make these. So let's go ahead and go with it. We're just making a little basic one today. Put a little mayo on there. Nothing too fancy. Just doing a down and dirty po' boy. Used to get these a lot when I was a child, back in the 80s and 90s, from my parents. Put a little cheese on there. Today I'm using a little Swiss and Gruyere cheese blend. And also, I'm going to go ahead and use Saints and Sinners barbecue, their kickin' KC barbecue sauce. There we go. And to make it a proper meal, we're going to add some of our Creole coleslaw to the plate that I made in the previous episode. I'm going to go ahead and link it right here. There we go. Now it's time for the fun part. Time for that taste test. Went ahead and cut the po' boy into thirds because it's just too big to manhandle. So let's go ahead and do a taste test. Right chew, salt and pepper on point. That KC barbecue sauce tastes phenomenal. It's almost like you can drink it. Tastes that good. Definitely got to pick you up some of their sauces and rubs. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.